Somehow, when bad things happen, blame has to be assigned. Now, I'm not sure why that is, but it seems to be a natural part of the human condition. When things don't go the way people think they should, someone or something has to be held accountable. Unfortunately, the blame is usually assigned incorrectly. I mean, think about it. When is the last time you heard a personal trainer, for example, accept the responsibility for the fact that their services were clearly ineffective in helping someone change how they looked? It never happens. The implied response is always something to the effect that, you know what? The program works for others, so you must be doing something wrong. And that's where things turn sour for us. Even if it's not directly implied, our failure at anything is internalized. In our mind, it's a simple equation. Others have had success with this. I did not. Therefore, there is something wrong with me. I am to blame. It's my fault. I would like to suggest you begin to practice a seldom used third option. And it operates on the premise that, you know what? There is no one to blame. If something didn't achieve the expected results, then it simply didn't work, and new options need to be explored. So why am I telling you all this? Because right now, whether you realize it or not, you blame yourself for your lack of success. You've turned all your failures from your past into character flaws. So that job you got fired from, that book you never wrote, that course you never completed, those relationships that failed, that rejection you received, that weight you didn't lose, that exercise you didn't do, have all been events that you have turned into character flaws. So now you have this notion that you're not disciplined enough, you have no willpower, you lack drive and commitment, you're lazy and unmotivated. The truth is, you are none of those things. You have been operating within a system that does not work for you. And no matter how hard you try or how long you persevere, success continues and will continue to elude you. What I'm saying is your current situation is not your fault. You are not flawed. You have been expected to succeed with a system that is not designed for you. But what if there was a better system out there for you? What if there was a system that allowed you to take something as intangible as willpower and make it manageable and measurable? Well, that's exactly what I'm providing in this program. This is a system based on my own experiments and discoveries and those of others who have found a way to consistently do the things they must when it matters most. What I'm providing is a blueprint for your success. Take my ideas and you do what you must to make them work within the context of your life.